Hello and welcome, children. Now let's begin quickly with a short revision of stanza 4 of the poem Daffodils by William Wordsworth. Stanza 4 is as follows. For oft when on my couch I lie in vacant or in pensive mood, they flash upon that inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude. And then my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils. Children, I hope you all remember the rhyming scheme. It's A, B, C, C. A quick revision of the meaning. In this stanza, the speaker reflects on the power of the daffodils to bring joy even when he is alone and introspective. The sight of the flowers comes to mind when he is lying on his couch in a state of vacancy or deep thought, and the memory fills him with pleasure. The image of dancing daffodils brings a sense of bliss to the speaker's heart, reminding him of the beauty of nature and the power of memory. So here we start with our multiple choice questions. In the following slides, you will have a lot of questions, and I have also provided you the answers. You can pause the video, go through the questions, and try to make the best use of these questions so that you can answer all the varieties of questions that are possible from stanza 4 of the poem Daffodil. Here, question 3, its answer. Question 4. Next comes question 5. Question 6. Question 7. Question 8. 9. Question number 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15th question. Children, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Question 16. I hope all these efforts will help you in your exams. Cross-check the answers with your textbook as well as your workbook that has been assigned by your school. So children, thank you for supporting me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.